Hello, everyone, and welcome to Englicity, your friendly guide to learning English naturally, confidently, and without fear. Today, I want to talk to a very special group of people. To those who say, I don't know English. I don't know how to read. I can't even write my name in English. This video is for you. Yes, even if you are starting from zero, no reading, no writing, no speaking, you can still learn English. And not just that, you can become good at it, confident in it, and even speak fluently over time. So don't worry. Sit back, relax, and let's begin your journey from zero to English hero. 1. English is not just for the educated. Many people think that English is only for the educated, people who went to school, who studied books, or who already speak a little. That is not true. Language is for everyone. You learned your mother tongue without reading a book, right? You learned it by listening, watching, speaking, naturally. And the same method works for English too. You don't need grammar books, fancy apps, or big vocabulary at the start. What you need is a strong reason, a little guidance, and daily practice, just like this. 2. Start with listening, the natural method. Think of how babies learn to speak. They listen, they repeat sounds, they slowly learn words. This is how your English journey begins, not with reading or writing, but with listening. Start listening to simple English videos, like this one, English stories for kids, English words with pictures, English conversations in daily life. When you listen every day, your brain starts catching words, just like a child's brain. You don't even realize it, but you are learning. #3. Speak without fear, even one word counts. The biggest mistake beginners make is waiting to be perfect before speaking. But if you don't speak, how will you get better? You don't have to speak full sentences. Just say one word. For example, see a chair? Say chair. See a dog? Say dog. Want water? Say water, please. Even if your pronunciation is wrong, it's okay. Even if you mix your language with English, it's okay. Your goal is not perfection. Your goal is progress. 4. Learn words with pictures and actions. Don't try to learn English the hard way with translations. Instead, use your eyes and hands to learn. For example, when you see a fan, point and say fan. Open a door and say open the door. Touch your eyes and say eyes. Your body and brain will remember it better when you see and do. This is called total physical response learning, and it works amazingly well for beginners and illiterate learners. Use daily routine to practice English. You don't need to create a special classroom to learn English. Use your daily life. In the morning, say good morning, brush teeth, take bath. In the kitchen, say boil water, make tea, wash plate. In the market, say buy rice, how much, give me vegetables. You already know what you're doing. Now just say it in English. You're not learning extra. You're just changing the language. #6. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Daily practice is magic. English is not a subject, it is a skill. Like driving, cooking, or dancing. The more you do it, the better you get. So listen daily, speak daily, practice daily. Repeat the same word 10 times. Say the same sentence 20 times. Don't be shy. Don't feel small. This is how champions are made. Even if you only learn 5 new words a day, in 1 year, you will know more than 1,800 words. And guess what? You only need 1,000 words to speak basic English fluently. 7. Watch and copy. Learn by imitation. One of the best ways to learn English is to watch others and copy what they say. Watch English cartoons, short clips, or conversations with subtitles. Then pause the video and say the same line. Like, how are you? You say, how are you? I am fine. You say, I am fine. It feels like a game, but your brain is learning deeply. 8. Don't worry about reading or writing at first. Reading and writing are important, yes, but they come later, not in the beginning. First, become comfortable with words, with speaking, and with listening. Then, slowly start reading. Names of vegetables in English, days of the week, numbers, short 3-letter words like cat, bus, dog, etc. When you're ready, writing will follow naturally. Don't force it in the beginning. Make a practice partner or speak to yourself. If you can find a friend, child, or family member who speaks a little English, practice with them. But if no one is available, talk to yourself. Talk to yourself while doing work. Now I am cooking. Now I go to market. Now I sleep. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need habit. And talking to yourself builds confidence, fluency, and speed without fear. 10. Believe in yourself. Anyone can learn English. You may say, but I'm too old, or I didn't go to school, or I've never studied English. So what? If a child can learn by listening, so can you. If people can learn a new skill at any age, so can you. If others started from zero and reached fluency, so can you. English is not about intelligence. It's about consistency, confidence, and commitment. Even if no one supports you, I am with you. Englicity is with you. And this channel will guide you step by step. Final words. You can do it. Remember this. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. One word, one sentence, one step. Every day, 1% better. That is how you will go from, I can't speak English, to I can speak English. And one day, you will look back and say, yes, I did it. If you believe in yourself, if you never give up, English will become your friend for life. So keep watching Englicity, keep practicing, and keep believing. You are not illiterate, you are a learner. And learners always grow. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And remember, English is for everyone, even you.